Chevy Coupe.
All day long. It's like sit here. Now this is a guy we said, well, the only way because he has paint. They have paint there. I see it like this. This is nice, you know. Now here's what I would do. It's not like that. No, but I'd rather it's my opinion. Well, I thought it wouldn't be so bad because I was up in the air a little bit.
32 Ford Vicky. Nice.
I mean, it's easy to do. It's going to be a bigger expense.
It's always
47 Chevy Coupe.
It's still needed since the good old days. I went to Dorney the last few years before they closed.
Nice. The honk, isn't it?
Yeah.
'66 hardtop. Gran Torino Sport.
I don't care what it looks like.
I might show you that prime frame, prime bill. Like one Viper out of fucking air ice cream and spray out the back of the fucking ship. The guy called the next one. They change everything up. They go back to the old chip.
Yeah. You can't get
65, 64 and a half. I like that shift knob. 67 Coupe. '47 stroker. Nice. I like the upholstery in it. 2007 Roush 427R. That's nice. $279 pace cars. This one first here. That's cool. I like that a lot. Looks like this one has a little work done to it.
I didn't know you were on that side, I'm sorry. Yeah, usually just pop it up.
'56 Olds 88. What are these? Nice.
Because we, I have a little bit.
Give me a little more.
66 or 67 GT.
It's a little bit rich right now, and I want it a little bit settled.
427. This is a 66 Fairlane. Beautiful.
What a beautiful.
also have some coloring festivities for the kids. And a 50-50 as well. What's not to like about a 50?
Six. I like that grill. Like they painted it. Nice Galaxy 500. $390. That runs. 63 Falcon. $66. $200 in line.
Snaps on there. It's super easy.
Yeah, I ended up coming out today by myself. He went racing.
It's clean saline.
The problem is he's going to want to sell it double.
Beautiful Cobra. '71 Trans Am.
I'll show you. I think I did 100 over
Truck.
And then there was one other one. You know what I mean? That's what it was so far.
49 Chevy Deluxe.
Usually, whenever I see like that.
That was a yes, but that was very stupid.
Right. You know, like, always takes me 5 hours to stop it. And it's always 2 hours. For a while.
30 Ford.
3 o'clock, so then we put it back. By the time we load it up, the habit is back. 7 o'clock at night. Well, we're going to Chicago until Sunday, and then we're in Hershey Tuesday, Wednesday.
34 Chevy. It was at the shore last week. '23 Phantom T-Bug.
Hammered the hood down and put the Bondo over the hole. This is the original hood though. And the holder there, you can see it from underneath, you know, where it comes.
I guess, is this a, I think it's just a raffle if they do it.
Very nice. 7383 Cuda. I never saw this one before. Another one that's going to get demolished. Nice Chevy Apache.
typing in on it, doing stuff like that.
That's why I just put a carpet on. I had that in my tank and I could never get it.
Well, they're no good. Some down for
They got some. They're starting to do carpet by the body. They said they do everything in house, but they don't do those things.
Crawford, that lot.
Yeah.
But you know, when you get old, that couple's getting old, and they die or kicking out of it. Yeah, last week the first time me and Ernie.
Don't look terrible. I mean, of course I'm not a body man, but it looks better than water machine. There's no pinholes or stuff in it. Like water had that pinhole. Yeah. I didn't see any of that stuff. I mean, I guess maybe once you sand.